Do you want to learn more about special education or how to be effective and cultivate change for students with disabilities? Well, watch these testimonials and I'll be right back.
You ever sat in a meeting where parents came to the IEP meeting with an attitude and then attorneys sitting across the table waiting for you to say the wrong thing? Oh, I have. It's not a fun meeting to attend. So be prepared. Listen to the tips. She has walked the walk, so she knows exactly what she's talking about in her wonderful book. So you need to purchase the book.
So this book will talk about not only the ins and outs of special education, but how do you build those important relationships that you need?
Under her supervision, Dr. Cotton has created a relationship with me by supporting me in teacher-parent meetings, offering suggestions and teaching strategies to increase the effectiveness within my instructional delivery, and also assisting and guiding me in completing and updating documents to ensure that I am implementing the program with fidelity within my classroom.
In her book, Dr. Cotton has been able to bring to the forefront conversations that are useful for leaders and administrators when working with diverse learners, as well as those in special education.
It helps teach you, as far as teachers, not to feel belittled or disrespected by parents when interacting with them and teaching them how to work with their children, as well as teaching templates and other ways for you to interact with your children without your children feeling like you're belittling or disrespecting them or feeling that you don't understand your child or where did you go wrong.
Dr. Cotton's webinar and book, The Essential Tips for Special Education Leaders, highlights the importance in cultivating relationships with your teachers.
I know that the book Essential Tips was so amazing that I signed up for the webinar.
With her webinar, it dives deeper into the content of her book, where it talks about next steps and best practices as it pertains to work with diverse learners and the avenue of special education.
Attend the webinars. You will be fulfilled and you will be excited.
The Essential Tips for Special Education Leaders webinar provides a detailed narrative that is closely aligned with the book. So if you want to gain knowledge and acquire additional resources, I encourage you to secure your copy of the Essential Tips webinar to positively implement change.
I'm Ashley, and I encourage you to get Essential.
Get Essential.
I encourage you, get Essential.
Gain knowledge and get Essential.
Get Essential today. Go to www.edufaithconsulting.com.